The government have been urged to enforce a get-tough crackdown on speeding on Irish roads. The call came as it emerged that 1 in 3 fatalities on Irish roads are linked to speeding or driving at inappropriate speeds given the weather conditions or road conditions. A total of 112 people have died on Irish roads this year, slightly below the level for the same period in 2024. Ireland South MEP Cynthia Mhurchú has released figures about the operation of the Garda speed camera system. She revealed that between January the 1st, 2023 and June of this year, the system brought in revenue of just over €32 million. However, over a period just 2 months longer, the operating costs of the system extended to €44 million, meaning that the system on average loses just over €9,000 per day. She has queried how that could be possible and has also queried why there was a dramatic drop of almost 15% in revenues from speeding fines between 2023 and 2024. Ms Mhurchú has welcomed the investment in 100 new speed cameras and also the investment in high technology to assist Gardaí in cracking down on speeding motorists.